Hey, if you guys like jewelry inspiration and craft making and some great shopping hauls and some paper crafting, card making, things like that, make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the little bell on the side so you don't miss anything. Okay, so I'm having a little bit of a technical difficulties. I'm going to go over it again in case the camera got cut off. I painted these with 3 different color golds. I'll mention that again. So yes, I did, and I'm waiting for them to dry, and I just added the glass beads, which is this, to this one, okay? And that's what it looks like. So we're just waiting for it to dry so we can, you know, embellish it or whatever. And I was saying that, before my camera got cut off, that I am going to attempt to do some other colors. Now I put some of these other colors in my palette here. This is a green metallic by Artist Loft. I'll show you that. Let's see, where is it? I'll put this one in here. This is this one here. That's a beautiful color. And then I put this turquoise color by Diana Weekly in the palette right here. Okay, I got that one. And then I'm going to try a heavy body paint, acrylic paint by Liquitex. So we'll see. That's why it's called mixed media, because you can mix it. So while these are drying, we'll put those aside. Those are pretty. I like that gold. I mean, it's different, but I like it, you know? Huh. Very different. Oh, and it's drying pretty fast, too, because I have my fan on in here. But I'm curious about this green. Very curious. Oh, look at this green. Would you look at this? Everything. Stop playing games. How beautiful is that? Oh, look at that green. That is a beautiful green. Oh, wee. Wow, very rich. Very pigmented, too. Huh. And luckily, you know what? I got these paints on sale a while ago, a long time ago. Well, probably early this year. And they were having them 2 for $5. So if you don't want this color, definitely check out Michael's, because they have these there at the Artist Loft in the paint section, okay? So yeah, they usually have them 2 for $5 or one, you know, 1 for $2 or something like that. They have great sales on these paints. But look at that. Oh, I love the green. I'm doing green. I'm going to do a couple greens, okay? I got to do a couple of each. I mean, we got 2 boxes of puzzles, so we can do, you know, make a number of different colors here. So yeah. Oh, I like that. I just want to see how the colors look, you know? Aren't these beautiful? Oh, I love. So smooth, too. It's nice and smooth and highly pigmented. Wow. Oh, I like that. I like that. See, I already did turquoise. So I'm going to try this other turquoise because I want to see, you know, what the difference is. Because this is a, this is Apple Barrel. This paint was 50 cents. So, well, this was $1.50, but it was originally $5.99 at Hobby Lobby. All right, so we're going to try turquoise now. Let me see. You know what? I think I'm going to try this. My Jane Davenport mermaid brush, the original ones. I got my water set up over here. So yeah, look at that. Oh, that's pretty too. We like. Yeah, I like that. Uh-oh. I'm loving all these colors. So you can, yeah, you can paint these any colors. You can paint them, you know, put your stickles on them. You can, spray them with your sprays. You can do so many different things. Add your flowers. That's why it's called mixed media. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look, it's darker, too. Oh, I like this. I like them both. This is a lighter turquoise, and this is a darker one. I like the darker one. Okay, we'll have to put this aside. I don't want to mess it up. Don't want to mess it up, Stephanie. All right, we'll put that aside. Let it dry. Okay. I like that. I know I'm going to love this blue, too. It's like, when will I ever use a navy blue embellishment? But you never know. So you just never know, kids. You need to put it, you know, have a more masculine embellishment or something to go with some paper, that you have somewhere that you want to use. You can make your own embellishments like that. Look how cool that is. Beautiful. I love it. And how pretty would these glass beads look on there? You don't have to put them on everything. I just do it because I like texture, you know. And I wanted something really pretty. So, okay. So, we did that, right? This is a metallic red. Oh. Oh, stop. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of red in there, too. All right, so that's the Artist Loft Red. Okay, might as well try them all, right? See how they come out. Since we're here, we already got them gessoed. I might have to gesso a few more pieces because I'm running out of pieces. All right, so we're going to do the navy blue now. Now this is a heavy body paint. So, oh, look at that. How beautiful. What? Wow. Look at that. I probably should have squeezed it. I mean, you know, mixed it a little bit because it's a little, there we go. I should have done that maybe. Look at how pretty that blue is. Wow, wow, wow. I always knew I liked those heavy body paints. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Ooh wee. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Now we're going to try the red. And I know I'm gonna love the red too. So, I already know it. Let's try the red, okay? I just was trying different colors here. I'm messing around. Oh, that's pretty. Great for the holidays, guys. Nice and pigmented. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna let this one dry so I can put my little Christmas embellishments on it. I need some more for the Christmas. Look at that. Oh, yeah. How pretty. I love them. We got red, green. We got all colors, kids. Look at that. We just made our own embellishments. How cool is that? Okay, I need some more so I can do, you know, some more colors. All right. Okay, guys. So I am done painting them. I gave them all at least 2 coats of paint. And I added glitter. And now they're drying. So I just wanted to show you what these look like. Isn't this beautiful? So, you know, I gessoed it, and then I added 2 coats of paint, and then I put glitter on it before the paint dries. So I just sprinkled a little glitter on each, well, not each one of them, but mostly all of them, or I added the glass beads. So these are still drying, technically. All right, so I just want to show you how beautiful these came out. So I wanted red and green, of course, for traditional Christmas colors, but then I also have some pink ones that I'm going to do. So I'm going to dress at least one of them up to show you how you can, you know, add your embellishments to your embellishments. So look at this blue, though. This blue with this gold. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, beautiful together. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, right? So, yeah, I just wanted to show you how great they came out. Isn't this gorgeous? Just puzzle pieces. Dollar store puzzle pieces. And this is one of my favorites. Look at that one. Just gorgeous, okay? So we're going to put these aside and let them dry, okay? And then we're going to pull these out because these are finished. And then we're just going to, you know, put together one of these. Now, I had some little stickers and stuff, you know, already pulled out. Oh, wait, I already have my piece pulled out. There we go. So I can show you. And this was done with the shell, the satin shell. So paint from Target. All right, acrylic. So I just want to decorate it really quick so I can show you how cute it's gonna come out, right? Okay, so let me put this on here. All right, so this piece is dried for the most part. Well, it was. I got so much stuff on my hands. I don't know. But yeah, and these are little Michaels stickers. These are these. So I got these at Michaels. You know, I haul these at Michaels, right? And I have these, and then I have these. So we pull out just a bunch of different stickers to see what looks, you know, what looks best with what. And I kind of wanted to do some pink embellishments. So that's what we're going to do. And I think it's going to be so cute. Now it's just a matter of placement on here, how we want it to look, right? Let me see. I think I want it to look like that. Okay, so we're going to put a little hot glue on here. Just to give you an idea of, you know, what can be done with your little puzzle pieces. So look at that. So cute already. Don't we love? Look at that. How cute is that? Okay. And then we're going to add our little presents. So let's see. Let's just place them. Oops, I messed it up. I messed it up. Let me see. I'll just stick one on here because I think they will both look cute. Oh, how cute is that? And then, let me see. I pulled out one of my little star. Oh, that's so cute. I pulled out one of my little star embellishments, although that is a different gold. So So, wait, where's my other ones here? Let me see. I have more little embellishments here. I have a little bag. So we'll try one of these, okay? So let's see. That's kind of small. I can probably put 2 on there, huh? Because they're so small. See, if you have small ones, you can just add double. And let's see. I like this one too, but it's 2 different color golds. Oh, look at that together. Cute. But you know, one might be enough. One's enough, I think. One is enough. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so we'll see. I'm gonna put it on here and see how it turns out. Put our little presents on here. Isn't that adorable? Put our little hot glue on here without the strings. Let's see. Oh, so cute. You can put them down here. Oh, look at that. Oh, and then you can either add something like this, or you can add like maybe 2 of these. You know, you can do something like that. Oh, I like that too. Either one. And they're kind of the same color, so I think I'm just going to add the big one, because I like the big one. Yep, I like the big one. All right, kids. Okay, kids, we're done with our mixed media puzzle embellishment, and that's just how it came out. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how pretty that is. Oh, I can't wait to make the rest of them. Like, the rest of them have to dry first. So, yeah, look at how cute that is. Wow. And you know what? I wouldn't worry about the back because you feel like you think, you know, you're going to place it on something anyway, like a bag topper or a card or something like that. So you don't have to worry about the back. Now, if you were going to gift this to someone, you could just paint the back of it too. It's no big deal. But yeah, because people, you know, going to stick them on things anyway. But how cute is that? Oh, I like. The rest of them aren't dry, so I can't make anymore. Wait, I could make. Let me see. I kind of want to make one more. Is this too pink? That's too pink, huh? It's really pink. Wait a minute. This one, that's kind of bright. So I'm saving these for some other stuff that I have in mind for. I can always do something like this too. Some winter stuff. Yeah. Oh, wait. Always add some stuff like that. What other stuff we got here? Huh. Okay, can always add something cool like that. Some embellishments, you know. So, you know, the sky's the limit with this sort of thing. You can add words to it. You can add whatever you want to it. It's up to you. I actually kind of like that too. That's kind of different, huh? Huh. Yeah, so I don't know if I'd add it, but I just was experimenting with it, you know. Something that kind of cute like that, you know. That's kind of different. That's pretty though. Look at that. I don't know if I'll glue it, but I just, you know, wanted to see what it looked like. I decorated a couple of the pieces because I wanted to see, you know, how they turn out. And I did this one, which is so cute. That's gorgeous. I put the, you know, the stickers on there and everything. And then, of course, it's a little messy on the back. But again, if you're concerned about that, you can just paint the back white, all white or something, you know. It's like if you were going to gift it to somebody. Or more, if you give it to any crafter, I can tell you they're probably not going to care because they're going to put it on stuff anyway, like a bag topper or gift bag or something like that. So, yeah. So, it's a little messy on the back. But look how cute these came out. Very unorthodox. But very, very cute, right? So if these came out so cute, and I just love the different colors on here. The pink and the gold. I was kind of just playing around with this one. I thought, well, you know, let's just add a bunch of stuff and see what happens. And I think it came out really kind of cute, right? Very different. Very, very different. How cute is that? All right. So I just wanted to give you an idea and some inspiration to go ahead and make your own puzzle, mixed media puzzle piece embellishments. You know, you can add anything on here you want. You can do them for the holidays. You can do them for any other crafts you got going on. So these turned out really cute. So yay, I'm very excited. All right. All right. Well, I thank you for joining me for this fun little project, this little mixed media project that I tried here. And make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You can share this video with your friends and family if you so choose to. You can put it on your Facebook or a snippet of on your Instagram or whatever it is you want to do. That would be awesome. And you can definitely hit like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell on the side so you will be notified when the videos are uploaded, because I have lots more content coming. You definitely don't want to miss anything. And I will catch you next time. Ciao.